Our next two-letter A sound is this sound here, or these two letters here, where we have E and I together in some words make the long vowel A sound. A. Okay, so let's put this two-letter sound A into some words then. The first A sound is veil. V-A-O, veil. V-A-O, veil. She is wearing a veil on her wedding day. Okay, veil. V-A-O, veil. Okay, next one we have is veins. Veins. V-A-N-S. Veins. V-A-N-S. Veins. You can see your veins on your wrist. Okay, veins. V-A-N-S. Veins. Okay, super. And the last one we have is reindeer. Reindeer. R-A-N-D-E-R. Reindeer. Reindeer. And we have an uncommon trigraph here, which isn't seen very often, which is the ear sound. It's usually spelled another way with an A instead of this second E there. Okay, so reindeer. Reindeer. I saw a reindeer in the Arctic Circle. Could be a sentence there. Reindeer. 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 How many letters does reindeer have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 letters. How many sounds? Reindeer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sounds there. Okay, so let's go through them all again together. Make sure you're practicing along with me, please, like always. A, veil, V-A-O, veil, veins, V-A-N-S, veins, and reindeer, R-A-N-D-E-R, reindeer. Okay, thank you very much for watching today. Please remember to like the video and subscribe as well. It would be great help growing the channel. Also, please share the video and leave a comment as well. Thanks again.